Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm making donuts from lentil flour. I will use olive oil to fry the donuts. I will fry the donuts over medium-low heat. If the heat is too high, the outside will burn before the inside is fully cooked. Make sure to use medium-low heat so that you won't burn your donuts. This video is a silent recipe walkthrough. Just make sure that you will follow a step-by-step process on how to come up with lentil donuts. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to share and comment below.